Hello everyone, this is Dr. Misha once again with another video. In this video, we are going to note down what are the most important theory questions that you need to study for your university paper under the subject commodity and derivative market. Again, a very important video for all the TY BMS M5 student. So in this video, we are going to basically take up all the important questions that need to be covered up from each chapter, each module. Okay. I can guarantee you that if you study these many questions, you all can easily score a great marks in your paper. Okay. So let us start and see what are the various questions from each chapter and each module that you need to learn for your semester 5. Okay, now from chapter number 1 or unit 1, under that chapter number 1 may we have introduction to commodity market. Under that, these are the questions that needs to be covered up. Number 1, what is commodity market, and discuss the history and the origin of commodity market. Second, explain in detail the structure of commodities market in India. Third, what are the participants in commodity market? And fourth, state the reason for investing in commodities market. Okay, so these are the four topics or answers that you need to cover up under chapter number 1. You all can go through it once and then we'll move to the next. Okay, now from chapter number 2, that is introduction to derivative market, under unit 1, the questions that need to be studied are: number 1, what is derivative market, and discuss the history and origin of derivative market. Second, what are the elements of a derivative contract. Third, state the factors driving growth of derivative market, or state the reason for the growth of derivative market. Any one of the question can come. What are the different types of derivative contracts? And what are the fifth question, what are the participants, who are the participants in derivative market. Sixth, state the advantages and disadvantages of trading in derivative market. And 7, state the difference between forward and future contracts. Okay, the difference is very important. So you can go through it once and then we'll jump to the next slide. Okay, under unit 2 chapter number 3, which is based on futures, you need to learn: number 1, the future terminologies. There are various terminologies that needs to be covered up. Okay, so you can have bases, different types of future term. Okay, so in any textbook when you'll go through, there will be multiple terminologies given there. The terminology question separately, it comes in the paper. Okay, so this needs to be learned thoroughly. Next, explain the concept of convergence. Very important. Okay, under convergence, there can be two types of convergence that you need to cover up. Then write a short note on the basis and basis risk, and explain how the pricing of future contract is done by using cost of carry model. So under convergence, remember, you need to even go through the backwardation and contango. Okay, very important topics, those come under convergence. Okay, so after this, chapter number 4. Okay, for chapter 3 itself, okay, so that was half. This is the full question. Future terminologies, you need to go through initial margin, settlement price, contract price, future price, open interest, expiry date, market to market basis. These were the terminologies that you need to cover up. Okay. Okay, under chapter number 4, explain how speculation and arbitrage is done using futures. This is chapter number 4 based on hedging. Okay, so under that, explain how speculation and arbitrage is done by using futures. Next, discuss in detail about cash and carry arbitrage and reverse cash and carry arbitrage. Next, we have write a short note on perfect and imperfect hedge. Very important topic. And here, explain contango and backwardation. So they come under unit 2 itself. Okay. Okay, next under unit 3 chapter number 5, under chapter number 5 options, the very first thing is again options terminologies. Multiple terminologies are available under this chapter for option. Need to go through them very carefully. They will 100% be there in the paper. Next, state the difference between futures and options. So remember, two distinctions are very important: forward and futures and option. Okay. Third, write a short note on valuation of option contract, various valuation ways, and what are the factors affecting option premium. Again, a very important topic. Okay. Next, chapter number 6 under unit 3 option pricing model. This chapter do not omit at all. The entire chapter is very important. First, write a short note on binomial option pricing model and Black-Scholes option pricing model. Among these two, any one will always be there in the paper, or there will always be a distinguish between the both. The most important topic. Okay? Do not leave this chapter at all. Okay, we can go through it once, and then I'll move to the next slide. Okay, next under unit 4 chapter number 7, trading clearance and settlement in derivative market. Under that, the very first topic that needs to be covered is explain the trading mechanism and types of orders in derivative market. And second, write a short note on NSCCL. He can ask you the objectives of NSCCL or the functions of NSCCL. And third, explain in detail the settlement mechanism and types of settlement. Okay, again a very important chapter. We can go through it once. Okay, and now the last chapter, chapter number 8 under unit 4 types of risk. Very important chapter. Under that, number 1, write a short note on value at risk, also known as VAR. Second, discuss in detail method of calculating VAR, that is value at risk. Third, write a short note on risk management measures. And last, discuss different types of margin and explain the span margin. Okay, so these were various questions you need to cover up under this particular subject. First, cover up these questions. Later, you are free to learn any extra question that you require. Okay. Chalo, I hope everyone have noted all these questions. Chalo, with that, we will be ending this video here. Thank you.